Hey peeps, welcome back to my channel. It's Amanda's Typing, and today I'm going to show you how to make a flying cat game on Scratch. So the first step you're going to do is go to Create right here. Into the pop like this, you say Create Project, and you see this with the cat. So since this is a flying cat game, I'm going to change this here to flying cat game. One thing, go first all the way, cat game. Okay. So this cat isn't flying right now. It's a walking cat. And even if we go costume is a running cat, but it's a flying cat. So we're gonna delete this sprite and click on create a sprite. We're going to go to animals. Okay, and then you see that flying cat. And the flying cat is the cat that we're going to use. Although we're starting, we're gonna go to when this flag is clicked. So no, there's the green flag, and there's like you don't scratch before you really know what I mean by the flag. So we started, and it's kind of big. What are you doing? So you can change the size to 55 right here. So the size is smaller. Like it like that, just better. That's all for me and for the part I'm making since a flying cat game. But you can always make it whatever size you want. And you can take this, go to X and put in minus 50. And Y will be 0. It's gonna look like that. So we're gonna add a forever block. So it'll look like this. And we're gonna change the Y. Change Y by minus 3. So just change Y by minus 3. And see how it's always falling into what's put into the top. So see, stay in the air. So now we're gonna see. You see how that keeps falling. So that's what we're trying to do here, and that part already done. Okay, now we need to make this jump around. So we're gonna take this block, and it says when space key pressed, I'm gonna put in the cat going up or cat flying. So we have to go to the costume tab and we see the cat flying. And go to switch costume to cat flying B. And see how that flies up. And this is gonna repeat it 5 times. So we're gonna take the repeat block and we'll just say repeat 5. So now it says repeat 10. Things that to the number 5. And I'm just gonna show you how that's gonna look. Okay. So I'm gonna go to change the vibe. So like this one, you can also duplicate it. I'm gonna put in number 6. Oops. I'm gonna put it, make sure I put it inside. Let's see how that looks. Oh yeah, that's exactly how I want it to look. Then when you go down, it's just gonna fall. And then it just gets smoother. That's how I wanted it. That's how the game I wanted it to be, and okay, just gonna test this out. And we're gonna set them by adding the backdrop. So first you can see all of them. And it's a lot of backdrop from scratch. You can upload your own. But I'm gonna use the blue sky. Okay, so click on the green flag and see how this goes. Okay, so that's exactly how I want it to look like. So far, it's going really good. So after that, we're just gonna switch the costume to cat going down. We'll see how we just switch it back. So we're gonna repeat that 5 times. So when it seems to Y, it's gonna be repeated 5 times. We're gonna add the repeat block. I'll put in the number 5. And now we're gonna change the Y. We're gonna click here and change Y by number 6. Now also you can, if you're gonna change the number of the Y, you have to change the other one too. So we can make the game this smooth. Okay. Now we'll see how can our players go up. Let me split that, and we can also use the up arrow key, but right now it's not working, and even though I'm clicking on it, okay, I'm gonna click on it and it's not gonna do anything. So I'm going to click this and just copy it. We can just copy the code though. So an up arrow. Oh, the up spike too. I'm just gonna show you what I'm also talking about. For if you want someone to face the mobile, you're gonna need to take someone with a keyboard. Oh, we can add an up button. That's not gonna work well. So we're gonna use the up arrow. I'm just gonna duplicate this whole code. So look like that. And now if you try it, and you click the up arrow, it still works. I'm even pressing the spacebar right now. What if it touches like a pipe? Because it's like a complete flappy board where it just goes up and up. But there's a pipe. So we're gonna get back to this pipe too. So let's just look up for pipe. Do we have a pipe? No. Okay, so we're gonna have to create a new pipe. Use pipe this. So open up the speed tab. This makes so cool. I'm trying to make it like a scroll kind. Oh, this actually come out really great. And let's make it like this kind of. Make it like a greenish color. Okay, I just want things to purple. Okay, how can you like that color? Let me do that. If we're gonna use this, just try to move it up. And copy and paste it. Okay, let's make a new one. So gotta take the shape. I don't know, I came out like that. Not even outlined. I usually always put that outline in black. Yeah. Okay, that's smart. That's smart outline. Okay, we need to adjust the size of this. Okay, now we're making a whole new one. Okay. It doesn't look as bad. Try to match the exact same color. So it's working. Okay. Okay, now we're just gonna add an outline to it. Look, it looks different. I'm gonna add a little chocolate. Okay, for this one, you don't that one. Maybe I should do like a swirl. Okay, look at the circle. Yeah, so do two of those. Okay, it's pretty good, but we need to move it down like this. And this is a bit too large. That's my idea. I've already just covered the whole thing. I'm gonna take that away and delete it. I'm gonna make a new one. Oh, come on, I don't want it to be purple. I need to match the same color. No, we have to match the color. I don't know why I looked like that. Yeah, this one is more like a blue tone. Okay, it looks like that. It looks in the game. It looks like that. Let me just think this out. Get that thing out. No. Oh, that's a good look. Comes on, I'm doing this. If you like us, you can keep it like this. But if you don't, just leave it. Okay, so okay, now I'm gonna change the color to a green. What's new? That's good. I'm gonna. Oh, this looks. Look, I see like how that's looking. I can't type outline this. I take that and outline it. I'm gonna outline it up to 3. Okay, now we're gonna have to delete this. And I need to green block. So I'm gonna change the color of this. I don't like. Okay, that looks pretty good. Let's just change it up to 3. Okay, so now let's Let's just put this on. And yeah, let's look at how I want it to look like actually. I feel like that looks pretty good. Okay, so I want it to look like that. And this is how the you see here. So now, kind of good idea. Okay, now back to this. When I have my flag is click and go to control and choose rental, take a green block, and this is all. Place it in here. Now let's go to sensing and look at the touching block. And this is a touching edge. Okay, we're gonna use this one. I don't know why it's not going in. This is what I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing. Okay, we're starting over this. It's not gonna go in. So add again, the one flag is clicked. And the wait until block. And then you can take the whole block, put it in, and think that's this block, put it in. So, yeah, this still doesn't work. Oh, okay, we got it. Okay, we actually got it. Yay! And now touching sprite 1. Touching sprite 1. Okay, we just saw the sound here. I don't know why it always comes up. I'm gonna go to effects. Someone's cooking out with them. We can also use this one. Oh, we can no, okay, no. We're looking for the sound. Oh. Okay, this one. This looks fine. Okay, the sound. Ting. Okay, good. Okay, we're gonna stop here. Let's look some adjustments. When it starts, that's go. So that's right there. And we don't go on right there anymore. And now over here. So that's 103. And Now the y is 22. Okay, now the series. Yeah, that looks way better. Okay, that looks way better than it did before. So now then it will say game over for 1 second. So let's go back over here and now let's go to looks and let's take what says say game over. For 1 second. Now we're gonna broadcast it and so broadcast game over. Okay. Say game over. Let's try this out. Now let's claim. Okay, there we go. Now we're gonna just stop it after that. Where is the stop? Let's go to this right. Okay, so that's pretty good for the spite. Now let's talk about the pipes here. Okay, so now I'm just gonna start with this. They're kind of like the way we started with the cat flying. And we're gonna set the size to 110. So set size to 110. We're going to hide. Oh no, it's gonna work. Okay, this is telling right now. Now we're gonna take a forever block and create a clone of myself, and then it's gonna wait 2 seconds. Okay, so this is the sew. So right now it's not sewing. So now we're gonna take a block which says when it start clone. Now we're gonna take the block that says sew, and now we're gonna go to X. Okay, so say pick this one. I went to get here. Now right here you're gonna put in minus 80. The other one is 80. Simple. Just like that. This thing is actually really cold, but if you have like no experience, that's like it's not hard. So say this is a medium. I'm just gonna say that like so what is it? Do want to be in the okay, here. I'm gonna change the number to 4. Now those things look up at this negative. Take the right, put this in video. Okay, it's actually working. It's really cool. Oh, okay, that was actually fun to play. No, take. Let's say game over. Okay. So you have to take an F block. If we need to find explicit. No, wait, let's say X. So we're just not gonna go. So actually, if we're gonna do this, we need an equal to block. and this is 2, like 200 minus 240. So here we're gonna put in minus 240. So the same number you used here is the number you're gonna put here. Now you're gonna take the x position right here. X position, put it in here. Okay, just like that. I'm gonna create the variable score, limit score. Okay, we're gonna oh my god. Put it like this. And let's put it, select this block off. Maybe just like that. I just have a little cloud so we can say like cloud variable. We'll say let's go by 1 and then delete this clone. What was it? And delete this clone. So see how it gets deleted? It doesn't just stay and crumbled up. Okay. So it's just gonna say like that. Wait, where did my spy even go? Because I didn't know these are called spikes. These should know by now what I'm saying. And that's practically it. So don't worry about the scorpion deleting this because it's just game over with that countdown. And says maybe one to oops. You want to think that? Oops. Constant. Okay, I'm trying to make it Flappy Cat game. And this I will Flappy, why? Okay. I'm gonna use also add music for this. Mm. 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 So I'm still looking at what to add, or you can just go to YouTube and look up non-copyright music and you can use that. So that's it. Hope you liked this video. Hope it really helped. And just give a thumbs up. Bye.